Good day, everybody. Welcome to Tutlari Adams Farms, where we train you in poultry farming, snail farming, poultry organic farming, and all the value chain in poultry production and snail production. Today, we are going to take you organic poultry farming. What is organic agriculture? Organic agriculture is a type of farming that restores soil, ecosystem, and human health. But when we are now looking at organic farming, in the country now, organic farming is being recognized more. That's why when you get to some farms, they will tell you certified organic. That is, they are trying to tell you that they are not using synthetic drugs, they are using organic, just like organic poultry farming. The organic poultry farming means that in that farm, they are not making use of synthetic drugs. Everything that they are using is herbs, roots, and leaves. That's pure leaves, pure herbs, and pure spices. Those are the things that they are using to cure all kind of diseases. And you using organic will give you 100% confidence and assurance that your birds are cured of that diseases. There's no how you want to do it. As long as you administer it to them, no matter how that disease is so much in them, it will surely cure it because it is going to like boost their immune system. Now, what are the importance of organic farming? Number one is that the bird itself, the bird itself will not build up fat because the organic farming in poultry is going to like burn all kind of fat. That's the herbs, the spices, and the this thing that you are giving them. It will surely burn any kind of fat in them, but rather it's going to build a complete meat in them. Another advantage is that there's no GMOs. That's genetically modified organisms. No. But rather, this one is pure organic. Pure organic. And another thing is that the disease that they normally say is that poultry bird gives. But when you use organic, it won't. You are free of that. And there's something that most of my customers used to say that organic meat tastes better and sweeter than synthetic poultry breath. In our next class, we are going to discuss about the types of leaves that we are going to use to cure our diseases, the names of diseases and how to cure them, the measurements and everything about it. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.